Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring why have more than one LEO satellite. Low Earth orbit satellites like Starlink, OneWeb, and Project Kuiper provide high-speed internet that's crucial for maritime operations. However, systems with just one antenna can face issues in challenging marine environments. Problems like weather disruptions and satellite obstructions can impact connectivity, making reliable internet a struggle on the high seas. Here's the breakthrough. Marine Data Solutions has developed the MDS Blender, which integrates two LEO antennas with a 5G system, such as the PepWave 5G Max BR1. This advanced setup delivers unmatched performance and reliability for internet access at sea. What are the benefits of this system? Increased reliability. Dual LEO antennas significantly reduce the likelihood of simultaneous obstructions, ensuring a more stable and continuous connection. Enhanced internet experience. Adding a 5G connection boosts both speed and reliability. This is ideal for high-demand tasks like streaming, video conferencing, and large data transfers. Instant failover. The MDS Blender switches seamlessly between internet sources. If one source encounters an issue, the other takes over almost instantly, keeping your operation smooth. Higher speeds. The combination of two LEO antennas with 5G provides increased data speeds, making it easier to support multiple devices and handle large data needs. Stable IP address. The system offers a consistent USA or UK IP address, which is crucial for accessing location-dependent services. Cost efficiency. Opting for two antennas with the MDS Blender and an unlimited 5G SIM can be as cost-effective as a single LEO setup, especially if you need higher reliability and performance for tasks like remote desktops or gaming. Marine Data Solutions provides expert installation, around-the-clock tech support, and tailored solutions for every vessel. Whether you're on a small charter yacht or a large luxury vessel, they ensure you have the best connectivity solution for your needs. Experience the future of maritime internet with Marine Data Solutions. Their advanced approach promises reliable, high-speed internet, no matter where your maritime journey takes you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in tech and maritime innovations.